Hey guys, this is Josh Hughey with Colonial Real Estate in Sevierville, Tennessee. Today we're at 2010 Bird Ridge Road, which is a little closer to Pigeon Forge. We're only about 13 minutes from Pigeon Forge Parkway, or 20 minutes from downtown Gatlinburg. So this cabin is extremely well located. The cabin itself is a 2-bed, 2.5 bath, with a little over 1,120 square feet, and it's currently used as a short-term rental, but would make a great primary or secondary home. It does really well, grossing a little over $63,000 last year per the owner. The cabin will be fully furnished, so it will be turnkey and ready to go. So we're going to do what we usually do and just take a little stroll around the cabin. As you can see, there's plenty of parking here for at least 2 cars. One thing I will show you is we do have a little bit of a hill for the driveway, but I've been up and down that driveway dozens of times. Never had any problems, and this cabin is rented very well, showing no issues from renters. So as we go around the property, we'll see we have some beautiful wood siding. We have a metal roof and a nice wraparound porch. So as you can see, we have beautiful windows, some gorgeous trim around each of the windows, and very nice wood siding. Goes all the way around the cabin. On the side here, you can see we have a nice backyard for a fire pit and a very peaceful wooded setting all the way around behind. We have a French drain that goes along the back of the property here, and that will take all the water around the house and off the side. Another thing to point out, have a nice charcoal grill right off the driveway. Just a great spot to come out here and enjoy some home cooking with some beautiful views. So as we walk up the porch, you'll see a beautiful wood porch, nice high railings. This will be your entry door. I'll just take a peek around the side here real quick and see this gorgeous deck. It's nice and wide, have newly built handrails all along the front, have some nice swings both corners of the front porch, as well as some really nice wooden rocking chairs on the front here, which will help you take in this mountain view, as you can see right there. So out there we have a gorgeous view. It's a great time of year to be here. It's a little close to sunset, so we've got the evening sun keeping us warm. And as we walk around the side here, we'll see we've got a nice hot tub and a very private setting back here with some nice decor to go around it, making for a very comfortable setting. Have a nice high roof line, just giving you a ton of space out here to really enjoy this setting. Have some solar lights all the way down the porch line, giving you some peaceful evening ambiance. So now we'll take a look inside. As you see, we walk right into the great room. So again, this house has 2 bedrooms, but it also has an open loft up there which houses our game room and some interesting little additions that I'll show you in just a few. So when you walk in, you immediately notice these high windows, just bringing in tons of natural light. We have some beautiful window treatments all the way around. As you can see, the living area here, we have a couch and love seat. This couch is also a sleeper sofa, which expands the sleeping capacity. We have an electric fireplace surrounded by a stone hearth. And of course your TV above it. So a very comfortable living area. We have an eat-in kitchen with a large wooden table, comfortably seating 8 people. And then our kitchen here, where we have a newer dishwasher, our electric oven, microwave, and refrigerator. And then of course, beautiful wooden cabinetry to complement the wood interior. Some very nice decor. And of course, matching lighting fixtures. So again, just a very comfortable and open main floor. And now we'll walk down the hallway here, and immediately on our right, we have our laundry closet with the stackable washer and dryer. And on the left, we have the first bath with the shower tub combo and the tile floors. At the end of the hall, bedroom number 1. With some nice windows looking right into the backyard. This is a queen bed. As you can see, there's plenty of space on both sides. Some nice wooden doors on each room. And our second bedroom here is set up with a king-size bed, which still has plenty of space all around it. Have a nice little bench seat here next to the window. And the bathroom here is directly behind the door, where we have the vanity, the throne, and then we have the soaking tub just beside it. So there we have our main floor. Now we'll go up to our second floor and just admire the log rails as we go up. Nice sturdy wooden staircase and beautiful wood floors up here. But we have a large open loft area. So currently have the pool table, arcade game, and wet bar with mini fridge. Again, property will be fully furnished. Have some brand new pool cues, which is always really nice to see. Full-size pool table, little game table over there, as well as an additional seating area. And of course, a TV in every room. And now here's where I will point out the neat little feature that we love about this cabin. It has kids' sleeping nooks. Where the kids will absolutely have a blast. They're just fun little hideouts that the sellers added when they bought the property. And on the other side of the loft, as I pointed out, we have the couch, which also has a pull-out bed. And then we have our half bath. Finally, just behind the couch there, and then right over here in this locked closet are the owner's storage. Again, a really nice loft area with some really neat game options, and of course the really cool sleeping nooks. There we have it. That's 2010 Bird Ridge Road. Again, less than 15 minutes to Pigeon Forge. Just off of Birds Creek Road, which is our little known back road that the locals will take to stay out of the traffic. And it takes us from Sevierville all the way to Gatlinburg without the parkway congestion. Feel free to give me a call, and we will talk about making this cabin yours.